In this session, we're going to show you how docanalysis, written by Schweiter, can be used to pull out entities from the text. So, first of all, what we've done is we've created a directory city. We did that using PyGetPaper, so you don't need to see that again. And you can see a large amount of structured data in this. The papers have actually been split into individual sections. You can see the titles of all the sections there. So what we're now going to do is to run docanalysis on it. The project is called City. We're going to make sections just in case they weren't. Spacy is going to be used. This is a Python tool which is very good at extracting entities from text. We're going to search just the discussion part of the papers. Going to pull out places. They have the formal name geopolitical entities, and this is going to be all places, not just cities, but you'll see it's got quite a fair chunk of cities when it comes out, and we put the answers there. So we now run this. It whizzes through pretty quickly. It's found 2,400 sentences. It's analyzing these, and it's going to put the results in the CSV file. So it's finished, and now we'll have a look at the CSV file. That is output, and you can to show you these are the sections that they're in. Each of these sections has got a precise name. These are the sentences it found with places in. It found them in this part of the paper, the dissertation, and here you can see the places. Some of them are countries, but quite a number of them are cities. I think up the top, there's a lot from New York, Istanbul, countries, India, and so forth. We've got more work to do if we're going to filter out just the cities, but we can make a dictionary of world cities using resources such as Wikidata. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to finish now